Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, YO. I got, thanks for joining me. Remember to like and subscribe. So I got on here really quickly because I wanted to share a recipe with you that was new to my husband because he's never had it before. And it could be new to you. So it's pretty easy, it's very simple. It's a dish that I made with my grandmother. Love it till this day. It was one of those late night snacks that, you instead of cookies in Jamaica, we would make these. They were called banana fritters, right? So Jamaicans say fritters, and then a lot of other people say fritters, right? So this is of a ripe banana fritters. And you can try it at home. It's something new, something different. Again, you don't have to be from the Caribbean culture or even from the Latina culture, because I know they do something similar to try this. So few minutes, easy dish, new to you, not new to me, but it's for my husband. So try it out. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. Appreciate it. So I'm going to take you step by step on how to make these banana fritters, right? They are delicious. You can try them for yourself and let me know. Warning ahead of time. I'm going to do this. Warning, it is not a health conscious treat. It is something that is something that you would treat yourself with just because, it has a lot of fattening ingredients. However, it is delish. It has a fruit in it. Does that count? That makes it healthy? Maybe. So to make this quick and new Jamaican banana fritter dish for my husband, I started out with 3 fingers of banana, the riper the better. I mashed it using a tablespoon. I wanted to get it the consistency of like a mash, not completely like a puree. And it being a little chunky, you kind of keep the flavors of the banana. So here I added 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Well, a little bit more because it got away from me. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to whisk it all together, blending all of my flavors together. This dish probably took me about 10 minutes to whisk together, make, and fry. So perfect little dessert you can whip up. Here I'm adding a pinch of salt. And I stir all of this in before I add or feed in my flour, meaning I'll put in a little at a time. So for 3 fingers of banana, I use a 1/2 cup of flour. So I mix in the first pour. Right now I'm checking for consistency. You want it a little thicker than a pancake batter and still chunky. And here I add the rest of the flour. And after I mix it, I let it sit for at least a minute or 2. This is my way of checking how hot the pot is before I pour in my oil. You can use vegetable or corn, it's up to you. I'm on a sunflower oil kick right now. Supposedly it's healthier, right? And this is the consistency we're going for. My way of checking the pot again to see if it's hot. Something my grandma used to do. So when you're pouring it in, you can use a ladle. That's what we usually use in a Jamaican household, just like a bigger spoon. And however the shapes come out is however you ate it. It didn't matter. It was all about taste anyway. and you want to fry them until they're like a golden brown on each side. I say it would be at 2 minutes each side. If you want to fry it a different way, like a funnel cake, you put it in a Ziploc bag and pour it in that way, or you can put it in the Ziploc bag to store for later. I would suggest using a spatula. It's just easier because sometimes they'll get stuck together. Oh, look. This is what they should look like, nice and brown. I like mine a little darker because it's like sweeter. So I hope this was enjoyable for you and that you try it at home. So many enjoy things that I could do with these banana fritters. So I might even make some more videos on the other different treats and things that I added. So something that was given to my grandmother, I'm gonna add my flavor to it, make it a little bit new, make it a little different. Again, this can be new to you. It was new to my husband. Try it, check it out. Let me know what you think. Remember to like and subscribe, and hit that notification button so that you can get some more ideas about recipes and different things that you can try. Different foods, different places. We're going to talk about travel, lifestyle, anything new that you and I want to do. So thanks again.